Hey guys, welcome to OnFireRobloxScripting, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple way to tween objects in Roblox Studio. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is go under the View tab and open up the Explorer and Properties. After that, we're going to need an object to actually tween. So I'm just going to put in a block, just make it into a cube, and this is the object that we'll be tweening for today's tutorial. So what you want to do is you want to go into the object you want to tween, and then you want to click the plus and enter in a script. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and you can now write what I write. So local tween service equals to game : get service, and then quotation marks, and then write in tween service. So now we're going to put in some variables. So local part equals to script.parent. So the part is going to be the part that we're going to be tweening, which just happens to be the script's parent. And then we're going to create a goal for the tween. So local goal equals to, and then we're going to put in an empty table. And then we're going to go down a line and we're going to write goal.position equals to, and then we're going to put in a new vector 3. So we're just going to leave that blank for now, because this is where we're going to see where we want to tween it. So say my cube is starting here, which is going to be the 0 to 0 position, and I wanted it to move, let's just say I wanted it to move all the way here, right there. So what I would do is I would just move it to the position I want to tween it to, and then that is our position. So we're just going to copy that, and then we're going to paste it into the script just like that. So that is our new vector 3 position. So this is going to be the position we're going to tween it to. And then now I'm just going to put it back in its original place right there. After that, we're going to create the Tweeninfo. So local Tweeninfo equals to tweeninfo.new, and then inside of these brackets, it just creates a time. So if I put in like 5, then this tween will take 5 seconds. If I put in like a 10, then it will take 10 seconds. And then the last part is we need to create the actual tween. So local tween equals to tweenservice : create. And then we're going to create a new tween, and we're going to give it 3 parameters. So the first one is the object, which is going to be our part. The second one is going to be the tween info, or how long it's going to take. And then the third one is going to be the goal, just like that. And then the last thing we need to do is we need to call the tween. So I'm just going to wait 5 seconds, and then I'm going to play the tween. So to play the tween, you just want to write in tween, and then : and then play. So this is the very simple tween script, and let's go test it out. So here I am, and as you can see, the part is now getting tweened, and within 10 seconds, it will reach its final goal or destination. And there we go. It has completed its tween. Now there is one little problem with this, where let's say we have multiple of these boxes with the same script in here. If you don't change the goal, what's going to happen is all 5 of these things are going to head to the same location, just like that. But if you don't want that to happen, if you don't want to manually change the vector 3 of each part, then what you can do instead is just in front of the vector 3, just write in part.position and then put in a plus sign. So what this will do is it will add this much vector. So in this case, it will add 225 vector in the Z direction. And if we do that for all 5 parts, then you will see that they will all move in their own line, just like that. So yeah, that'll be it for this tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing a rocket suit, don't worry about it. But yeah, till then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!